Coach Leo Sack. We headed to the fourth quarter of this ball game, looking at the scoring by quarters so far. A very productive third para sa Happy RP.
Oo, ganun na nga. Gaya na nabanggit natin kanina sa ating halftime report. Palitan lang itong dalawang kapunan na ito. First quarter, kinuha ng Happy RP. Second quarter, kinuha ng San Miguel. Third quarter, kinuha uli ng Happy RP team.
Now, Happy RP team is coming into this ball game on a 4-game losing streak. Partner, yung huli. Pinabanggit natin kanina, kalaban ng FedEx sa Makati Coliseum, 75-71. If they lose today, obviously that will go to 5-game
Purchase your
losing
tracks
streak.
today.
Oo, at pag natalo sila, tapos na ang konferensya para sa kanila.
And the Nationals are also looking to avoid becoming the second team after Shanghai Force a 5-game losing streak. Siya lamang may distinction na yan. Hindi naman sila proud dyan. 3-second violation as we see Mr. and Mrs. Cecilia Pedro, team owner of Happy. Laging magkasama yan. Mahilig talaga sa basketball.
Oo, talaga naman para supuporta ka sa national team kung hindi ka talagang
Purchase your tracks today.
sa basketball.
We are at the Full Sports Arena. Score is 56-53. That familiar shake and bake. It follows shot. Long-distance shot. Brought to you by CL Leading Budget Cards at 24 cents a minute. Ito na ang pinakamababang IDD rate for the US, Canada at Hawaii. Pag tumulong na shake na siya ng gano'n, ang ganda ng form. Yung forma talagang alam mong nakikita niyo yung goal. Puno rin ang forma. Hindi na ni Joey Mente.
Alam mo, ang laki Joey Mente. Ang lakas ng leg mo. Alam mo na baka mababa ng elevation ka, pero once you get up to pang-half ng elevation Joey Mente.
Joey Mente goes up against Red Red. Ilimpit na pa niya. Oh my God.
Tinignan muna si Red Red. Bago binitawan yung layup. At ganun lang, dalawa na lang ang kalabangan ng Happy RP.
4 straight points by Joey Mente. Slam dunking by the superstars. And medyo na-excite.
Purchase your tracks today.
Oo.
Jeffrey Carriazo.
At meron tayong interesting numbers dito sa ating third quarter. Mamaya papakita natin yan na talagang kung bakit kinuha ng Happy RP sa third quarter.
Suspense pa kami ha.
Oo, mamaya siyempre.
Darian Peña walks out and goes to the bench. Rob Duat, pumasok. At may konti tayong lull dito. Referees, ito ba yung sinasabi ko?
Oo, yan
Hindi ka na nakahintay ha.
ko. Kita mo naman third quarter.
Purchase your
3-point
tracks
field goal
today.
conversion. Happy RP is shooting 67% on 4 of 6 shots. Samantalang San Miguel yung 14% lang, 1 of 7.
Daming ibinitaw ni Victoria doon na hindi tumasok. At bala yung tira. Ito si Devon out. Oh, look at Joey Mente. Stretch all the way to the hoop. As you look at that play by Joey Mente with that endurance, that could be this game's best. Find out which move will be the high endurance challenge play of the game after the last quarter. Take the high endurance challenge because nothing keeps you drier and fresher.
Oh, partner, hindi ako nagkakamali. 3 points. Joey Mente to, ha? Ako.
Sabi mo kasi, ulit eh.
Oo, kaya naman nag-inis si Jeffrey Carriazo, no?
Sabi ko nga, makulit ko
Offensive foul lang ang tinawag ng referee, pero reklamo ng San Miguel Bearcats, kailangan dapat daw technical foul yun dahil yata para mapahimad siya Tingnan natin.
Look at this foul, Jeffrey Carriazo. Tingnan natin ha.
Purchase your tracks today.
Above the shoulder,
On
no?
the shoulders nga.
Kaya naman pala nagre-reklamo ang buong coaching staff ng San Miguel Bears. Saka dito parang binigyan ng isang ano ba tawag natin ng shot ba yun? Oo,
Forearm.
Stanley.
Promo replay brought to you by CLD. Caller ID knows all calls. Si Boybits Victoria will come in. Ball game for Joey Mente. Sayang para kay Mente
Oo.
dahil nakaka-anim na sunod at spectacular pa yung 6 na puntos. Ito si
Oo.
Joey Mente.
Sayang,
Purchase
pero
your tracks
alam
today.
naman ang coach ng San Miguel kung ano na yung naitulot. Pati yung mga fans dito sa ating Full Sports Arena at pinapalakpakan siya lalo-lalo yung mga San Miguel Bears fans.
Joey Mente moves out of the ball game with 8 points. 6 here in the third quarter. I mean, that fourth quarter. Tatlo pa rin tayo. 59 para sa dalawang kapunan as we see Victoria now step into the ball game for Joey
Devon Hart, no?
Purchase your
Tapos
tracks
once he
today.
gets good position, hindi lang si Devon Hart coming from his blind side, nandyan dumodouble si Nick Benitez and some of these happy RP players.
Malas na sila, natawagan sila ng foul dun sa play na yun. 8 puntos pa lamang, partner, pero 11 rebounds. Hasn't gone to the free throw line yet for this trip.
Oo, at sinasabi natin kanina sa ating pregame na kailangan double body siya. Kasi take a look at Joel Mente.
Naging double chin. Dahil natamaan.
Purchase your tracks today.
Babalik tayo dito kay Super Mario alam natin wala din lamang shooter kaya
Kailangan dumoble.
doble tayo na dapat na ipakita niya.
Nangyari, hindi pa tumaabot sa average niya. And puntos pa lamang siya, 19.1 ang kanyang average.
Tama, mabuti na lang na si Nick Velasco.
Saka sila Joey Mente. Maganda-ganda ang pinakita sa ofensa. Hatfield, the pull-up. It's the bottom of the net.
Harap-harapan, kinuha na ng tempo yun. Alam niya, could shoot over Rob Duat. Ganda ng release, paloko pa no?
Pulating ka ng mga ganun pull-up jump. Parang ito, nagulat ako. Super Mario, releasing a 3-point attempt. Something that we don't
Pati,
usually expect.
pati mga teammates niya nagulat dahil sila lang nakakaalam matitira na pala siya.
Carriazo, naiwang bakante. Again, si Boy Fernandez, pero hindi mailaglag at press.
Good setup by Jeffrey Carriazo. Hindi lang may convert ni Boy Fernandez pero okay na yung good shot.
Purchase your tracks today.
Hinahangal dun, no?
Tama.
Boybits lowers his shoulders. Not for the offensive foul.
Good call by the international referee. Talagang pinaba ni Boy Fitz yung pagkikat niya at ang ganda ng defensive stand ni Boy Fernandez.
And looking at the scoreboard again, bawat team to 61 all, 59 all. Masamang senyales yan, ha? Under 6:30 remaining here in the fourth quarter. Wala ako sinasabi, ha?
Purchase your tracks
Woody
today.
Hatfield back to Kenichi. Wala pa rin yung kanyang tira. Devon Hart, working so hard.
Devon Hart, oo, the lone happy RP team na nandun sa ilalim against 4 San Miguel players. Siya pa nakakuha ng offensive rebound. Talagang hassle.
Pasok muli si Dorian Peña. Nick Velasco, who has so far scored 20 points, pero anong naipasok ito si Velasco. 61 all and still our score. Velasco, may pinabilang sa Banya. 17 make something of this offensive set. Velasco make that hard against Bennett. Wala. Melisi, second service.
Nagpalit na ng tao si Coach Shot ng Vincent para kumuha ng rebound. Ganun pa rin ang resulta. Offensive rebound pa rin para sa happy RP team. At lamang na sila ng 2 puntos.
Andyan, ha? Pinapalakpakan, hindi ba
Purchase
hindi
your
makita ng
tracks
tao sa
today.
TV as we see the sequence. Pinapalakpakan yung pagpasok yung re-entry nitong si Joey Mente. Naglalakad papuntang scorer's table. The last time I witnessed something like that was during the Samboy Olympics. Tumatayo pa lang sa bench, ano? Nagpapalakpakan yung mga tao.
Wala mga tao. Pagkinan naman naman ang laro nito. Nagpapalakpak.
Wild shot by Jeffrey Carriazo.
Again, another offensive rebound by Nick Benitez.
Nabawi sila. Kanina, lamang na lamang ang San Miguel Beer sa offensive rebound.
Purchase your
Boybits,
tracks
the
today.
pull-up jumper. Wala pa rin talagang inaalat.
Kanina na pag ginagawa yun on transition, biglang pull-up jumper. Hindi pa rin nakaka-score.
Devon Hart bringing it to the other side. Hatfield is there to save the day.
Again, another offensive rebound by the happy RP team. This time it was Rudy Hatfield. Tuloy-tuloy na rin for the putback.
65-61 is our score. Apat ang kalamangan na naman ng Happy RP. Bennett. Masok sa loob. Matatawagan sa Victorisi. Let's
your
Nagbubog
tracks
lang, okay
today.
na.
And the next one putting it, Mario Bennett now 11 points in the ball game.
Oh, Mario Ben, realizing na apat ng kalabangan ng Happy RPG dito. Kailangan, teka muna, trabaho muna tayo. So, bago siya po sa free throw line, going hard for the basket. Talagang mukhang seryoso na to. At magkakatulakan sa ilalim.
Ito, punta muna tayo. It's time now for our Merrill getaway of the game. Eh, sino pa ba?
Purchase your tracks
Pinag-uusapan
today.
natin, kanina pa. Ito si Joey Mente. Nakakita ng buwang, dumire-diretso, lumipad, ibinaba pa, at kinakit ulit. Literally getting away from his defender. And that Merrill getaway move of the game was brought to you by Merrill Performance Footwear. Getaway to adventure with Merrill USA.
Oo, partner, paalam lang natin sa ating mga televiewers. Anim na lang ang available na players ngayon dito sa Happy RPG. Dahil si Johnny Abarientos nawawala na sa bench.
Yun ang sinasabi ko kanina, parang isa na lang yun.
Oo, pinren-ren na lang. Opo, napamalit, no? At ito na.
Ito yung sabi mo, tumatrabaho na.
Nabubuerso na. Super Mario.
Sabi nila na to. Eh, isa na naman. Kalabangan, kanina apat. Bumaba na sa isa. Kalabangan itong Happy RP at 65-54. Kalyap forces that one. Joey Mente has done his job even on the defense.
4 against 1.
Sinet up kay Rob Duan. Medyo malalim, but Rob Duan. That's actually in for something I know.
Transition offense na yun, no? 4 against 1. Talagang Joey Mente, bibigay din sa open man. Medyo
Purchase your tracks
napakasang
today.
pero sabi ni Rob Duan, okay lang yan. Balik ang kalamangan sa San Miguel Beer.
Just like that, Davon Hart. Mababa ang pasa.
Oo, at magpapalakpakan dito ang mga supporters ng San Miguel Beer.
Supporters para sa Miguel. Alam ko, supporters ng Joey Mente.
Ah, ganun ba? Ang dami naman pinilitin ni Joey Mente.
66-65, and this is really good for his confidence, partner.
Tama.
Mas seryoso man tayo dahil pag bumalik ito sila Horton sa kanilang kupunan, may kumpiyansa na.
Oo,
Purchase your tracks today.
Yun, no? Playing against the best players dito sa inyong Boston Superstar.
Again, they go to Super Mario.
8 seconds, they got 4. Mario with the nonchalant hook.
Sabi na yun. Trabaho na yun.
Nagpipisig lang pala.
Trabaho na. So, tatlo na ang kalamangan ng San Miguel Beer. 68-55 with 3 minutes left in the ball game.
Hindi naman na inaasahan talaga partner ang mga import, eh, no? Yung pagka
Oo.
nagkakainitan na sa kababawi, Rob Duan. Stepping into the passing lane, Rob Duan all the way. Pero kapos yung kanyang layup. Down ball on Dorian Peña.
Sayang si Dorian Peña. Dahil kung na-convert ni Rob Duan yun, pwede that happen that basket. So, it's a good defense of Dorian Peña.
Taas yung bitaw ni Rob Duan. That play is solo replay brought to you by CLDT Caller ID. Knows all calls. Naman po ang San Miguel Beer 68-65. Magbabalik po kami.
Purchase your tracks today.
Dito sa Barangay Ginebra, PLDT phone number brings you the call that started it all. Collect all the PLDT BT 20th anniversary phone cards and get an BT card jacket free.
Ang teenager, nadala, di na full shoes, di pa high heels, di na baby powder, di pa foundation, hindi na kiddie toothpaste, pero hindi white. Dapat
Purchase your tracks today.
may new flavor for fresh breath at maximum grit for stronger teeth. Kaya pag teenager, dapat happy. Dapat madalas ang screen. Happy Sparkling Gel, may 5% sa titap.
Kailangan ng mas malakas na damit. Tumitigil ang kalaban. Parang kalawang na
May mga bagong mukha pa.
sumasalakay kahit anong panahon. Paano na? Panahonan gumamit ng matinding sa maliit na pondo?
Sandali lang. May alam ako.
Roof Saver. Pinatitibay ang bubong na parang bago. May protection pa sa ulan at init sa kayang-kayang presyo. Roof Saver. Coming home to the big screen with never-before-seen footage and enhanced visual effects. Extraterrestrial.
Time now for our CMG swipe of the day.
Purchase your tracks today.
And this one features the Jet. Jeffrey Cariaso anticipating that lob pass. She robbed 2-1. CMG swat of the game brought to you by CMG of Australia. Plan ahead, Jet ahead po ang San Miguel Beer ng tatlo. 68-65 sila naman ngayon ang nasa driver's seat. And another defensive stop para sa koponan ni Coach Shot ng Vincent.
Hindi makontrol ni Nick Sinisi yung pasa ni Jeffrey Cariaso kaya napunta sa player ng San Miguel. Possession balik sa San Miguel Beer.
Purchase your tracks today.
Oo.
And they will go to their bread and butter play, pero Rudy Hatfield medyo nag-stack ng konti. Joey Mente, 4 seconds on the shot clock. Joey Mente nawala. And they won't be able to put up a shot now. They want run. But they have the right intention still.
Nabasa ni Joey Mente. 4 seconds remaining sa shot clock. Gustong mag-create na sitwasyon. Wala rin nangyari.
Time now for a Motor Light pang matagalang player of the week candidate, Jeffrey Cariaso, 32 minutes. Our candidate for Motor Light pang matagalang player of the week, Cariaso, comes up short. Tandaan natin, 6 ang naglalaro, 6 na lang po para sa koponan ni Coach Eric Altamirano at Coach Jomo Chico. The veteran Ritualo is the lone player on the bench, playing beautiful. Brought to you by Barcelona, Brandy and
Purchase your tracks today.
Three-point shot. Oh, just a shot. Brought to you by BLDT budget cards at 24 cents a minute. Ito na ang pinakamababang IDD rate to the US, Canada at Hawaii.
Talaga naman tuloy-tuloy ang suporta ng mga fans dito para kay Joey Mente.
Sabi ko sa iyo, ala, may foul pa si Jeffrey Cariaso and partner. Free throws yan as we look at this play, the kick-out play, the classic SMB kick-out. Joey Mente.
Purchase your tracks today.
Pushing the net. And that's Romo Replay brought to you by BLDT Caller ID knows all calls. Lamang po sa Sigal Beer ng anim, 71-65.
Barcelona Brandy, you make me feel alive.
Barcelona Brandy de España, rich with aroma and smooth taste of the finest and its brand. Isa sa magtatagal. Tulad mo, tatagal nito. To health, to life. Kung tatawag sa US, Canada, o Hawaii, mag-BLDT budget card na 24 cents per minute lang. Ito ang pinakamababang IDD Gold BLDT budget card. Tawag na! Ito naman po para
Purchase
kay
your
Jo.
tracks today.
Wala nga pala dito si Wendy sa kiso. Sindo kanina ng mga magulang ni Wendy. Kaya lang magbigay ng mga pinili niya. O, ito kay Wendy. Ito dito.
Maliho yung Jo sa akin.
Ah, ganun ba? O, ito.
Super love.
Babalik po ang bayan ng superstars.
Purchase your
Gold
tracks
Sports
today.
Arena. San Miguel Beer. So far with the last spurt before that time out. Alam mo, yun ang nangyayari sa atin nga. Kanina, habulan. Pero usually yung happy RPM ng una, habulan na habulan sa San Miguel.
At kung magkakagusto yung palitan napapapunta ng San Miguel sa laro nito dahil ang palitan ay first and third quarter para sa Happy RBC. Second quarter, San Miguel good. Meaning yan, fourth quarter, San Miguel.
Well, so far, partner, they have scored 19 points, talking about San Miguel, as to the 9 of Happy RP. We are approaching the 1 minute 30-second mark of this ball game. Bang na pito. Jeffrey Cariaso, foul, going to the hoop.
Going hard for the basket. Trying to initiate partner some firepower for this Happy RBC. Kanina pa to. Na-foul siya ni Super Mario.
Purchase
Kaya
your
2
tracks
free throws
today.
ngayon para kay the Jet.
10 points in the ball game, averaging 12.2. Jeffrey Carriazo. And the Happy RP team is looking at a 5-game losing streak kung hindi nila may baliktad. Itong nangyari dito sa kanilang opponent partner.
Oo, Johnny Barrientos. Kaya pala biglang nawala sa bench ng Happy RP team. Nagkamali ng bag sa kanila. Kaya na-sprain yung pa niya.
Partner, this is a
Purchase
big
your tracks today.
call at this juncture of the game. More personal on Rick Benisi, but a sportsman like that.
Oo.
So may mga penalty na kasama yan.
So we would be seeing Torian Peña taking free throws without any rebounders. Tingnan natin what talaga nangyari. Ayun,
Natulak bago pa lang dumating ito si Mario Bennett.
natulak pa o napatid?
Yun nga hindi natin nahuli.
At si
Full possession pa to, partner.
Oo, kaya nga, wala tayong nakikita ng rebounders in that case. After 8-second free throw, possession pa uli nila.
At kaya nga sabi natin na that was a big call at this point of the ball game. 7 ang kalamangan. All of a sudden, this game has been tight all the way, and all of a sudden, medyo nakaka-abandon ang gusto itong San Miguel Beer on plays like that.
Oo, at possession pa nila with a minute and 26 seconds remaining sa ating laro.
Ayun, Peña again,
Purchase
held
your
down by
tracks
Nick
today.
Benisi. 5 na yan. At nag-iisa na lang.
Oo.
Si Angelo at Mr. Manlapit of San Miguel Beer.
Oo, kita mo naman ni Joy. Pumapalakpak pa sa Mr. Malapit.
Ano ba? Ulitin na rin na to. Paulit lang natin.
Tapos na ang kampanya ng mga ibang teams pag nanalo ang San Miguel Beer dito dahil malalaman na kung sino yung 8 teams na advance going into the quarterfinals.
Purchase your tracks
Pinakamaganda
today.
dito, may chance pa ang San Miguel na makasama sa top 4 teams na merong twice to beat advantage.
Pag nanalo sila sa Alaska sa linggo.
Yun.
Ganun kalaki. And come Sunday, Lamont Strothers will be playing again. So malaking bagay talaga. Hatfield will do it. And with a minute, 10 seconds remaining and the lead of 9, Happy RP with only 5 players now dahil nag-foul out na nga si McPenisi.
Baka meron pang player na 4 personal foul na dyan. Baka ma-foul yan. Apat player na makikita natin dito.
Maglaro si Coach Alan yan. Bennett for the 3-point shot. That comes up short. That's really not his specialty.
Pero nagawa na nila yung gusto nila gawin. Ubusin yung shot clock nila.
Restualo, malakas, bothered by the defense of Joey Mente, who has been all over this front partner. This is Joey Mente. Von Harp, his second personal
Purchase
foul
your
as
tracks today.
some of the fans make their way toward the exits, conceding this game to San Miguel Beer, who are up by 9.
Siguro yung nakulangan ng players ng Happy RP team. Yun ang naging rason dahil going into the final quarter. Wala na silang makuha production dahil sabi nga natin, ilang players lang ang pinapaikot ni Coach Eric Altamirano at siguro talagang pagod na itong mga players na to.
So eventually, the depleted lineup
Purchase your tracks
yun ang
today.
that's the story of the ball game. The difference of this game. Complete San Miguel Beer team. Except for Lamont Strothers, of course. Holding it over. 76-67. Marcus Calayas so often. Nagugutom na rin ako eh. Nakakaramdam na rin eh. Bennett to Peña. Peña doesn't get it to drop it at the end of 40 minutes of action. Ay, ako pala. May shot clock pa. Inubos pala nila.
Gusto na talaga. Gusto mo nang umuwi.
Hindi naman.
Pero pang 5 seconds daw talaga.
Inubos pala nila yung kanilang 24-second shot clock. But that's about it. Regardless of the outcome of this play, 76-67 is the final score as the coaches shake hands in the middle. That's ating center court dito sa Phil Sports Arena. And simply put, San Miguel completes the quarterfinal cast.
Purchase your tracks today.